Hey, fashionistas! Got a drawer full of scarves you never use? Same. But instead of letting them collect dust, let's give them a second life. I'm talking chic, trendy summer tops you can create in minutes. Whether you're heading to brunch or the beach, these DIY scarf tops will have you slaying effortlessly. First up, the classic halter top. Grab a large square scarf and fold it into a triangle. Wrap the long edge around your torso, tying it at the back. Take the triangle point, pull it up over your chest, and tie it around your neck. Boom! Instant halter vibes. Simple, breezy, and perfect for summer outings. Next, the bandeau wrap. Fold a long scarf into a wide band. Wrap it around your chest and tie it securely at the back. Pair it with high-waisted shorts or a maxi skirt for that effortless, beachy look. For a little flair, the twisted crop top. Fold a square scarf diagonally into a triangle. Place the middle of the long edge at your front and twist the two ends together. Wrap them around your back and tie them securely. Add some layered necklaces, and you've got a statement piece that screams summer chic. Finally, the one-shoulder wonder. Fold a large scarf into a rectangle. Wrap it around your torso, crossing one end over your shoulder and tying it at the back. It's sophisticated, elegant, and perfect for those summer evenings out. 4 quick ways to reinvent your wardrobe with what you already own. Tag me in your scarf top creations. I'd love to see them. Until next time, stay stylish, stay bold, and keep on creating. Bye, fashion friends.